Yeah. So today we'll be doing this staircase using some special tools. We'll be doing it. I'll just first show you, then I will guide you doing. Huh? Right. Yeah, yeah. So first I'll go to front view, and then every time no, I keep this for some lessons. I keep this cube on the top of this x-axis line, that is red color line you are seeing, no. On the top of it I'll be keeping the object, whatever object it is, huh? Right. Same way I'm also doing here. I'm pressing control button in the keyboard and then keeping it on the x-axis line, that is on the floor. When I go into perspective, you can see that cube is, or any mesh is not inside the floor. It is not drowned inside the floor. It is on the floor, for that purpose. Right. Now, yeah, now, sorry. Now, if you see, the pivot is in the middle. So, what to do for that? We have to bring it to the world origin. Press Ctrl A in the keyboard. You will see all transforms. Once you apply this option, the pivot will come back to the world origin, or else you can go to object menu in the top, that is in the sub menus. There inside the object menu you will see apply menu. Inside that, all transforms, huh? Yeah, now it has come back to the world origin. Right. Now I'll again go back to the front view, and then I'm pressing control in the keyboard again, and then scaling it down to make it look like stairs. Staircase will have so many steps, so like that, one step I am trying to make. First one step if we make, then we can replicate using the special tools, huh? Right. Now I am making one step. Yeah, this is okay for me. In the x-axis I will scale it. I'll go to top view and then scale it in the z, in the y-axis. I'll switch it to the local axis. Here in the top, I'm switching the transform orientation from global to local axis, huh? Yeah. Now I'm scaling its width. Okay, I feel it is okay. Right. Now I have made this one step of the staircase, entire staircase. Just maybe if I go back to top view a little more, I can increase its width, I think. Okay, fine. So let me just go to press N in the keyboard and open the transform panel on the right side. Yeah, it is opening. So in the transform panel I can see the scale dimensions 1.320 and then 0.330 and then 0.160, all that. Right. Now I just make a snapshot of it, because for you to tell will be useful. So I made a snapshot of it. Right. Yeah. Now we are going to move this step little away from the world center. Yeah, I'll go to top view, top orthographic view, and then move it like this. I feel this is okay. Right. Okay. And now little more I'll do. So minus 2.3 will do. In location x-axis, minus 2.3. Right. Now I'm going to apply the all transforms once again. You see the pivot will go back to the world origin. Control A and then all transforms. Yeah. You may think why I have to do the world origin, that is apply the world origin. You see, I will tell you this concept of origin in a different, this we'll come to this lesson again, something near in the same floor inside the perspective. I'll just show you what is this origin is all about. You must have seen in the cosmic, there is in the cosmos, sun is there and then earth is there. Earth is rotating on its own, that is on itself, on its own local axis, and then it will rotate on the global axis also. I'll show you that. I'll just hide the cube in the outliner and then show you with the using the spheres only. I'm duplicating this sphere what I have created, you can see in the screen, using the shift D, escape, and then moving it here. Okay, this is sun, whichever is bigger is sun. I name this as sun, and this is earth. Now, yeah, yeah, uh-huh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yes, yeah, yeah. It takes time. Only that is they. It is like first one object they will do, and then do texture mapping, UV unwrapping, all that. No, the same stages. See here, we have to render it. That is, we have to do animation. You are seeing, no, in the near, in the below, you are seeing the timeline. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, like that. So in that we will be doing the animation, that is in first frame the sphere will be like this, and in the 10th or 20th frame the sphere would have rotated already like this. See, it is rotating. Maybe I should show you like this, I think. See, it is rotating, right? The sphere is rotating. Yeah, so like this it will rotate. When you play it, you have the play button also here. When you play it, it will rotate. Like that we have to do the animation. In first frame it will be in one position, one orientation, in one rotation, for example. In 100th frame it will be in different rotation. Like that we have to give. Only once we give that and you play it, press the play mouse play button in the timeline, it will play. Okay, Blender is saying that yeah, at first frame you gave rotation 0, in 100th frame you gave rotation 360. Okay, now you have pressed the play button. Okay, now I will play it from 0 to 360, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that till 360 it will play it. So yeah, yeah, it is possible. So we will come to that. First we have to do on the modeling and operation tools and all, no. Once we finish that only, then it is you can see, no, here modeling, sculpting, UV, then only animation is coming. You can see in the top, no. Yeah, yeah, that is first you have to do the modeling, and then UV unwrapping, then texturing, then shading, then animation comes. So at that time, once you learn all these things, no, modeling, UV unwrapping, texturing, on the we are already learning that. Slowly we are learning that. So once you finish that and attain one stage in that, then we can go for animation. Definitely it is there in the our syllabus. You don't have to worry. Yeah, yeah, and it is possible. And as you are asking, no, it is possible. Yeah, 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 yeah. So here what I am trying to tell you is local axis and global axis. You see, the sun, this earth is rotating. I will just now if I rotate, no, it will rotate on its own. You see, it is local axis. Okay, I will show you what is global axis. I will press Ctrl A and choose all transforms. Now you see, this is what is global axis. So to explain what is global axis and local axis, no, they use this sun and earth concept. When the Yeah. When it's, that is when sometimes no they say, that is in childhood times, in school times and all, you that is we used to play like we rotate. If we go to terrace or in the playground, we just rotate ourselves. Okay, like that we rotate ourselves on our own local axis. We'll be rotating. We'll be raising our hand and rotate. And okay, right. When you go to some other place like temple or church, no, maybe in church I don't know whether that practice is there. But in Hindu temples, if you see, they come around the temple. That is, deity will be there, Shiva or something will be there in the center. They go to outside of the temple and come around that. It is like Earth is coming around the sun, like that they do. So that is called global axis. Rotating on global axis, rotating on itself is local axis. So this concept, no, ah, no, that is both are rotate. That only this one will rotate. In global axis, only this one will rotate. Yeah. I will show you. If you want it to rotate on both local axis as well as global axis, right? I will show you. I will show you. Yeah. Now I'll take add empty plane axis. Now I will. That is, we have. I think I told you. That is, it will be there. Again, I will be telling these things. So don't worry if I have missed it. Don't worry, because everything at a time, if I tell many things, no, it may not go into it. So that is why maybe I didn't tell you this. That is Earth. That is parent-child relationship is there in 3D software, no, parent-child relationship. So what I am doing is I am selecting this Earth. You can see in the outliner, I am selecting the Earth, and then selecting the, I am naming this empty as like global axis. Yeah, I am selecting the Earth, and then secondly selecting the global axis and pressing Control P. Control P means parent to. Yeah. Now you see this guy has become the child. Earth has become the child. Below it, it is in the hierarchy. It has trapped him. He is in the hierarchy. You can see in the schematic view, that is outliner. Now, yeah. Now I will rotate this global axis. See what is happening. Okay, this is called, that is sun, Earth rotating around the sun. Right. This is, that is means what? It is globe. It is rotating on global axis. Right. Now you want the Earth to rotate on local axis too, like this. Maybe from here it's not visible clearly. So it is rotating on local axis too, like that. So in the animation time, I will explain you this. So this is what is a global axis and local axis. It should be like, the center will be, the pivot will be somewhere else. Yeah, the pivot, this pivot, no, what you are seeing. No, only in animation I can show you that. Yeah. So when we do the animation, I will show you both are, they both happen together. So yeah. But I just want to explain, when the global, when the center, no, center or pivot, what you are seeing, no, handle and all. This pivot is outside, and the Earth is rotating on that outside, based on that pivot outside, which is residing outside. It is called global axis. So when it is rotating on its own, it is local axis. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so I will come to the lesson now. So same way here also, this cube, that is, we are making a spiral steps. That is, it's not straight steps. Spiral staircase you would have seen, I think, some like in some theaters or malls and all, no? You'll see spiral staircases. So like that we are going to do. Now you see the cube is there, and the global, that is the pivot is outside. Means what? It is at the world center. Right. It is not inside the geometry. If it is inside the geometry, it cannot rotate like this. See? Yeah. So this is how the pivot should be. This is where the pivot should be placed. Right. We did that. Right. What is the next step? Okay. So because I want to make a spiral staircase, a beautiful spiral staircase, I'll go to that special tool. It is inside the modifiers tool. Modifier on the right side in the properties panel editor, you can see this spanner kind of thing. A small tool icon is there. Okay, I will go there. It's called modifier icon, there you will see this add modifier button. I'll press it. Okay, fine. Before that, make sure that you have selected this cube and then you have applied all transforms, all that you should have done. Then after having selected this, I am going to add modifier, and under the generate menu I am seeing this array means arrangement. Huh? So it will arrange by itself. This tool, when I apply, it will arrange by itself. We need not do it manually, duplicating, pressing shift D and then again placing it, again shift D, again placing it. No, it will replicate by itself. So I'm choosing this array option. Right. See, it is coming like this. There are here in array option, that is in the dialog box on the right side, you can see fit type. Yeah, fit type and count is it. Count is 2 here. That is why 2 are there. Here it is displayed 2. If I increase 3, 3 will be there. Right. But now I want it to be like uh, like staircase, and it should be in a spiral shape. So how to do that? So here the factor s, factor x is showing 1 and y z are 0 0. Okay, okay, maybe let me just put this factor x to 0 and see. Okay, now those cubes are all here only, where my cursor is. No, inside only they are all trapped. Same place, yes. Now let me just increase the value in the y and c. No, yeah, okay. So if y means in this direction, it is getting duplicated or replicated, right? But I don't want in this direction to be duplicated. Let me try in the z. Yeah, up. Yeah, very good. Yeah. So actually what I want is up also I want, and y also I want. You see, like this it is formed. So if I increase like this, it will become. Yeah, but still it is not forming in this in the form of a spiral. Okay, so for that, Blender is saying you have to bring a third party, so that I will do that favor for you. That is making this replication in a spiral form replication. Right. Okay, I'm saying I'm going to add. I'm bringing just a third party which has no mass. Mass means there is no volume for him. He is just a null kind of empty. He is an empty. That's why they are calling him empty. But just as a reference, just as an entity, he is there, but he has no volume. So that kind of person only, third party only we need, right? So we have brought this third party called empty. Now let's see what, when I give this third party to this array modifier settings, what he is going to do, what result he is going to show. Let's see. I am this relative offset I am switching off, because we don't need this, because the third party I have brought in. No, so this relative offset or constant offset and all there, that need not intervene, because we are going to use this object offset. You are listening, no? You are seeing the, yeah, okay. So just you see object offset is there, no? You are able to see, no? Yeah. So I'm switching on that and then switching off the relative offset, right? We don't want relative offset, we don't want constant offset, we want only object offset. Means what? An object we have brought in, he is a third party. That object we are going to refer here in this black color field, right? I'm just clicking there. After switching on the object offset, I'm taking my cursor in the field, black color field. I'm clicking there and choosing this empty. Right. Now nothing has happened. It's not showing anything. Let me select this empty, who is a third party, and just move it and see. Yeah, it is replicating. See? Yeah. Right. Now let me rotate and see it. You see? I'm rotating this third party empty, no, that one I'm rotating, it is showing this result. Okay, so yeah, so this result I'm going to combine. I'm selecting this cube, and then that is, I have given the object offset. I'm just seeing the settings in the array modifier settings. I'm seeing object offset is on, and then I have referred this empty, who is a third party, in the this black color field. Right now I'm selecting this empty and then moving slightly upwards. Let me just have only one count, sorry, two counts, so that it will be easy for me to first adjust and keep it for positioning and all. So right, like this I'm keeping, and then I'm moving only in the Z. Okay, I'm moving this empty only in the Z axis, that is upward axis, not downward also, not any other direction also. Right, after that one single direction movement, that is Z, I'm going to rotate in Z also. So movement upwards in Z and then rotation in Z. No X Y rotation or movement, no business of that. Only Z axis we are operating with. Yeah. Now I am rotating the empty in Z axis and keeping it like this. So I am making sure this other side of this step or cube, this edge and this edge are meeting correctly. They should not overlap. Yeah. So for that I'm going to take the help of this transform panel, and then trying to deal in 0.00 values. So minus 10.082 as per now. Let me just reduce and see minus 10. Oh, okay, little more is needed. Minus 10.1. Okay, minus 10.2. It's not enough. Minus 10.3. Little more is needed, I feel. So minus 10.4. Right. So height also I should little reduce, I feel. Right, this much gap is there, it should not be there. So I am selecting the empty, and then height I am reducing 0.3. Oh, 0.3 is too much. Um, 0.32. Yeah, maybe point. This is okay only. Okay, little more I can rotate. Minus 10.5, minus 10.42, minus 10.45, minus 10.41, minus 10.4, minus 10.4205, 02, 6. So we have to try this way, that is to keep it on the edge. You can see a small gap is there. See, I will, yeah, this small gap, we have to fill by point level. We have to deal it with minus 10.443 is too much. Minus 10.3, -10.43. Right. So this is a number. Minus 10.417 is a number. I will take this also a kind of what snapshot. I'm taking a snapshot. Right. So when I'm telling you, you can just type the same numbers. You need not struggle to find the values. Right. Now we have, now we have found the values. Now what I will do, you see, this side we have aligned. The alignment is done for this side. This side also we have to do, but this side we can just simply do like this. Like this, we have to just manually move it and make the alignment. Yeah, that's all. Maybe a little more adjustment we can do. This in 3D now, this alignment is very important. We have to spend some time and then do the alignment. It's worth doing it. When people are looking at it now, it will look professional. Because of that time taking efforts, it will look professional. Yeah, for that we have to take time. Right. Now this side we have aligned, this side also we have aligned. Right. Now we can increase the count without any problem. You see, nicely it is getting replicated. Now it will replicate in that spiral direction only. Why? I'll just put 75 or something. It will correct nicely spiral. See? Yeah. Because I will tell you. This empty is there, no? Empty. We brought in a third party. This guy, why we brought in is we need a spiral shape. Otherwise, no. If I just switch off this object offset, you see what is happening? It will be straight only. See? Yeah. But if I switch off this relative offset, I don't want relative offset because I don't want a linear shape. I want a spiral shape. It should be a special shape like that. So I switched off relative offset. I switched off the constant offset. You can see all those names here. Those options I have switched off. Now I only switched on the object offset and it became object offset. When I switched on and gave it and referred that empty inside the field, referred means I filled that empty, that I brought inside the empty third party into this array modifier settings. So once I brought that third party into the settings and I just selected the empty, I am not rotating or moving the cube at all. You see, you can see in the transform panel it is all 0 0 0. I select the cube. Okay, you see in the transform panel x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z all are zeros, rotation also zeros, and scale is as per default it is 1 1 1. scale values are always 1, xyz 1. So it is all default values. I didn't move the step at all. I moved this empty, that is this third party, in the z axis little upwards, and then rotated little clockwise. That's all. Two movements I did. One is upward movement of this empty, and then little clockwise rotation. That's all in z axis. You see, I will show you little rotation and see what the change is happening. Small rotation. See how much change is happening. Yeah, little. Yeah. This is a special tool I told you. No, it's a very good tool actually. Yeah. So it is like, in cycle and all, if you see, you will rotate the free wheel or the middlemost one, and the outer part will rotate so fastly. Have you seen that? That is the entire mechanism actually. If you rotate the crank wheel, you are pedaling it. It is a small wheel actually. Small compared to the big wheel, it is a small wheel, a steel wheel that you are rotating by pedaling using your legs, and the big wheels are getting rotated. So like that same way, when this empty is rotating in a small amount, the steps are rotating in a big amount because it is outside somewhere. That is called centrifugal force, they call it in science. No, centrifugal force, like that they call it. That is how even rockets are like, they will do the centrifugal force, and then we do know this throw and all, we rotate and throw it. In that force it will go, so that fuel consumption will be less for the rocket. Yeah, like that they do actually. So same way here, the centrifugal force, like that we can call it. So when you are doing, you will understand. Okay, small rotation in the empty. I am not moving or rotating the cube at all. I am just dealing with the empty alone, and I just moved the empty little higher and then rotated clockwise in the z axis, and the spiral form is already there. The result is already there. Like that you will see it. Right. Yeah. Now, yeah, this little more rotation we can do, I think. We'll go to, yeah, this is enough. Okay. So 417 I have typed, that is the correct one. If we want, we can increase the count. We should not rotate it. We should increase the count. Yeah, right. Yeah. So 7. Hello? Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. That is if you are building maybe not for a big building. It's a very complicated thing because there amount of cement, all that will come. It's not so easy. But a model kind of thing, how it should look. Okay, you are like, suppose you want to build a individual house or some 2 floors building you want to build by yourself, for your, with your own money you want to build. So what you can do, you are not seeing much details and all, but you want to show your engineer, your architect, the look and feel, how it should look, how it should feel. When I see, oh, this is how it should feel, this much big is the room, this much big is the hall, this is where the bathroom should be, this is where the entry should be. Okay, like that. Then he will calculate how much cement, how much we need, this, all the he will calculate. Then he will put, it will be very helpful for him to put the estimation. Okay, this much thickness, that is thickness and all they will decide, because only they know, as per engineering know, their construction, how much load it can support, what the pillar weight should be, what substance they should make, all that, how many bars, that iron bars and all they should, all that they will decide. But when you show the look and feel, and how many floors, 2 floors or 3 floors, and this is a big room, and the roof should be little higher, not so close. In some houses, if you see, the roof will be very closer to you. Just if you lift your hand, no, you can touch the fan like that. So no, you may say, no, no, I want the roof to be little higher, like that you can say. So those things, when he is going to see, no, using seeing your building, okay, okay, then he will say, okay, this is what you want, right, right, now I am clear, I will give you the estimation, like that. Then in CAD he will make the plan for the what the building you have shown in the 3D, like that he will do. So for him, it is like some 25%, 30% work is over, or even more than that. Yeah. So because you have designed everything, you are not telling him orally, this is what I want, or showing some other your neighbor house. This is it should be like little look like this. No, you are doing yourself and then showing in the him the exact thing in 3D. You are showing. Yeah, it will be very clear for him. Before and all, they used to do in paper, using like that, they used to do miniature. Now they are doing it in 3D and then showing it. Yeah, yeah, you can, yeah, yes, you can do that. So now, so till here we will do for you, huh? Right. Now you can open your blender. Yeah, okay, yeah, open. So now you can hide the camera and then light in the outliner, no? Camera and light, yeah, yes, light. I'm not, vast tool means this array tool. Oh, this software you are saying. Uh, no, no, you have to only wait. Patience is needed. See, if yeah, yeah, that is, we went to LKG, UKG. They were teaching us A to write that A. How long it took, right? A, B, C, D. If we had thought, will it take so much time? Like that, if we had asked, no, we wouldn't have attained this level, right? So, yeah, yeah. Only alphabets you have to know. Other things, no. That's all. Once that is a foundation, right? Once you know the alphabet and then how to spell a word, that is all they taught you till first class and second class. So yeah, like that. So you have to just go through the syllabus and practice it. Then you will know its value. Yes. Yeah, 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 yeah. It is every software. It's like, see how they have put their sweat and blood into this making of software. So many concepts are there. Yeah, yeah. But it is an ocean. You are not going to master this ocean. It will take some 48 years to master this. Yeah, yeah. Any software, Oracle software, Java software, any software. If you want to master it, no, there are so many aspects, so many perspectives, so many uh, things are there we can do in any software. It's an ocean. Every profession you take, it's an ocean. But one aspect, one field in that we can master and start doing working on that, and there will be always an opportunity for that. So like that. Yeah, yeah. Right. Now, this cube, you have selected it. Go to front view. Press 1 in the keyboard. Yeah. There's numerical keyboard. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. Now, little zoom in. Yeah. press move handle on the left side. Yeah. In Z axis, move it up and keep it on the X axis line. Little down. That is exactly on the X axis. That red color line is there, no? Do you see the line on the, yeah, on the grid? On the, yeah, that, yeah. Oh, you have kept it right. Now, um, press Control A, Control A, and all transforms. Yeah. Now go to scale option in the toolbox left side. Yeah. Now in the Z axis, I will tell you the number. Just press N. No, press N. Instead of manually scaling it, I will tell you the values. You can just load it. In the Z scale Z, 0.160. 160. 1 1. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Right. Now in the, you press 7 in the keyboard, no? Press 7 in the keyboard. Yeah. From top we are going to see. Yeah. Now I'll press N. Go to the transform panel back. Yeah. Now I'll tell you the X and Y values. First Y value I will tell you. 0.330. Yes. And X is equal to 1.320. 320. 320. Yes, that's all right. Now you have to just move it little, go to move option toolbox. Yeah, this x-axis handle is there, no? Left side you have to move using that left side. Yeah, from there. Press control, no? It will be useful. It will snap. Tuck tuck tuck. It will snap. Press control and then press hold control and then move it. Left side you have to move it. Yeah, move it. Press and move it. Left mouse button. Hello. 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 Power cut. Power cut. Oh, okay. Sometimes it happens. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's okay. It's simple only. Only I just, yeah, yeah, yeah. I thought power cut happened. Okay. So, yeah, camera and light height. Yeah, yeah. I'll tell you the values again. Just press N in the keyboard again. You can just, yeah. Only thing you have to just, sorry. First, we have to move it on the top in the go to front view and then move it, place it on the top. Yeah. Yeah, now we just keep it on the top of the x-axis line. Height, no, always no, undo it. Yeah, yeah, using the axle only. Yeah, right. Enough. Yeah, Control A, all transforms. Yes, yeah. Now I'll tell you the value. Location Z. Okay, scale. I will tell you. Okay, 0.160. Yeah. Y 0.330. Yeah, and then X 1.320. Sorry, 320. Yeah, yeah. Now you can go to top view. Press 7 in the keyboard and then go to top view. Yeah, yeah. Now using this left hand axis, no, just move it leftwards. This x-axis line. Yeah, leftwards, left side. This right side, left side you have. Yeah. Not much. Only one square, little more, little come rightwards, little more. Yeah, no. That little gray color line is there, no? There you can stop. Okay, this is also okay. A far. Little more. Enough. Yeah, right. Now you have done it. Now you just go to perspective and just turn around the camera and see, no, you will have an idea what you have done. Yeah. Yeah. So it is bit away from the world origin, world axis, world center. Yeah, right. Now we have to bring back this pivot to the world origin. For that again, Control A, all transforms. You have to select that object. Yeah. For this object, we are applying all transforms. Yeah. Now it is back. Uh, uh, Sorry, you're asking some. Okay, right. Now you name this in the outliner, staircase. STAIRCASE. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Now we are going to that special tool. Little make the outliner and properties area no larger. This side, yeah, that's it. Yeah, no, not this much. Little. Yeah, enough. Now go to this spanner kind of icon is there, no, blue color on the in the properties panel editor. So many icons are there vertically arranged. Yeah, spanner, blue color spanner. Yes. Now press add modifier. Remember you have selected the object and then we have to go to generate menu. Yeah, array modifier. Yeah. Now you see one is already duplicated. You can just little turn the camera a little close up and then turn the camera also. Like you are seeing from the top, but let you like this 1/3 view. They call it 1/3 view. Yeah, little zoom in, little zoom. Yeah, enough. Little right turn. This side. Yeah, this is okay. That is middle mouse camera, and then like this, right, further. No, further, right side only, right side you go, you take your camera right side. No, this is left side, right side. Enough, this is correct. Okay. Now you increase count, you can see switch. Yeah, little. Yeah, so 4 or 5 or 6, something like that. Yeah, Yeah. Now because it no, don't move it. Don't need not move it. Now you see it is all those duplications. No, count five cubes are all inside the same place. Yeah, because this relative offset no is basically off. So we have to just switch on and see. We are not going to use that for this lesson, but still, yeah, just decrease the value in the factor. No, decrease the value zero point 0.5 or factor x. Yeah, yeah. No, zero point 0.5 you put zero point 0.5. Yeah, you see it will all pack inside. Now, yeah, now we can put 0 in the x, and y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. Yeah, factors, yeah, factors. 0. ah this is if you want to do a linear steps, just you want to have a gap. Suppose you are doing like some there are if you go to fence around your house, like stones after stones, line, there will be stones, no, the stones, number of stones will be arranged in line. Or suppose you are duplicating many lights on the road in a linear form from here to the, from this one road end to the another, the extreme road end, another end. So at that time if you just put this value, no, 1 in the x axis or y axis or z axis in relative offset, it will just duplicate. It will duplicate in a linear form, straight form. Linear means straight form, it is duplicating. See, either upwards or downwards, like that it is duplicating. You can see the staircase. Yeah, you can try it. It will go only upwards. Z axis only working. Wall, yes, you can just increase the value. Escape, no, escape. You just increase the value of z just 1.2, it will show you gaps like this. Yeah, now actually we don't need this. Why? Because we have to go for spiral form. Yeah, so we don't, I just wanted to show you this relative offset. So we just we don't need this. So switch off the relative. Yeah, right. Now it is set back to the default. Now switch on the object offset. They are not much useful, that you can just switch on that. See, if you can just switch on and see, it will also create the same thing. But sometimes, if you want gaps, let us in a this is relative offset, this is constant offset. That is, yeah, it is not, we don't much use it. You can just increase the value and see. It won't be so perfect. uh, yeah, like this it will be. Yeah, horizontal. Yeah. If we won't use relative offset, we use constant. Sometimes we use. Sometimes there will be a need. I'll show you that. Yeah. Now, we I told for making a spiral shape, a special shape, we have to bring in a third party, that is empty, who has no mass, who has no volume. Still, we need him, because for an entity we need him, a presence inside the outliner, like that. Now go to add in the sub menus, left side. Yeah, empty, down, come down, empty. Yeah, that's it. Plain axis, first one. Yeah, right. Now you don't move it anywhere. Here also don't give any values. Just select the cube again, back to cube. No, here that cube you have created a staircase. Now go to the object offset field. There is a that field is there, no, right side settings. Yeah, that black color field. So in that field you refer the empty. Yeah. Now select the empty. No, here there is select the empty in the outliner. Outline. There is in the viewport or outliner. We have select. Right. Now little just move and see. Again undo it. Just for moment we are just seeing. Just in the upwards. Yeah. Just move and see. Yeah. See, same thing is happening. That is, just listen what I'm saying. In relative offset, what we did through mathematically, we tried to bring this same kind of gaps. What we did in z-axis 1.2 something you put in relative offset. If you remember, do you remember that? Just select the cube, no? Select the cube. Yeah. Go to that spanner, that icon, that modifiers icon in the properties panel. Yeah. In that relative offset, did you try? See, you have tried 1.2, right? You don't switch on that just to see. Yeah, that ghost color, it is there, gray color, dim color. 1.2 is there. You have typed it in the Z. Yeah. So when you typed this 1.2, it gave the same result. Yeah. So what is happening is you are here trying to move the empty manually. You are selecting the handle, z axis handle, and then moving it manually. You are getting the same result. In relative offset, there is no handle and all, there is no empty or anything. In the viewport, you cannot do that. Only in relative offset fields, you are typing 1.2 and getting the same result. So there you are typing, now you are moving manually, right? So with this manually only we can create this spiral shape also. How? By rotating this empty. You just moved it now. Also just try to rotate it. Select the empty. Left in the viewport. The viewport selected. Yeah, selected. Go to rotate option. Yeah. Now the blue color axis, no, Z axis. Yeah. That you slowly rotate. Slowly rotate. Yeah, you see the spiral axis. Yeah. So whichever direction you are rotating, it is following that direction. The steps are placing itself. Yeah. So this is the technique we are going to do. I will tell you the value. When you are doing, no, slowly you can do some experiment and then do. Now I will tell you the value so that it will come by automatically to that spiral shape. Yeah. Uh, in location 0.32, that is no, sorry, location Z 0.32. Yeah, 0.32. Yeah, right. Now in yeah now in rotation minus 10.417. Enter. Yeah, see, now it has got aligned. Now you just have to increase the count, but we will do that. Now we won't do that because we need to align, no. Remember, we were doing some like right side, one side alignment we have done. Okay, that side, other side, this side, no, which is manually one side we done. That is in the, yeah, other side means that side. Just this is called other side. This we did manually. Yeah. So yeah, wait, just a little zoom in, just check, let me check. Yeah, that is first one, no, first step, down, that is the first step. From here to only he is the original, rest are all duplicates actually, right? Now just zoom in, no, zoom in. Yeah. Yeah, shift. Yeah, very good. Now, if you want to go there, no, camera exactly go there. There is a technique. Just go press tab in the keyboard. That is going to edit mode. Select that vertex. Any one vertex you select. Pick selection. No, vertex means that points. Yeah. Now press dot in the keyboard. Numerical keyboard dot. Yeah, see, now the camera is gone inside. Now you can little zoom out and start working. Little zoom out. Yeah. Yeah, enough. So this is how sometimes you have to zoom up, zoom in. Instead of pressing shift and then middle mouse, all that adjusting and camera, you are taking the camera no with much difficulty. Instead of that, go to edit mode and then press any one vertex and then press dot in the keyboard. The camera will automatically locate itself. It will go there. Then you can just zoom out and then start working. Right. Now we are in close up of that location where that gap, there is a gap. No, just now turn the camera right side, middle mouse button, and can turn the camera. Yeah. Now I think go to go like this only you keep. Now go to object mode. Yeah. Now select the empty. Yeah. I think you have to go to yeah, here itself you can adjust, I think 0.32, just yeah. Object mode is you are selecting the object as a whole. In edit mode you are seeing its vertices, edges, faces, its components. Yeah. That is, at the time the another object will not be in selection. That is only you are looking into this, whichever object you selected. Then after selection you are pressing tab or edit mode, you are going to its details, shape details, vertices you are able to see, edges you are able to see, faces you are able to see. Now you cannot see edges, faces and all. It will just select. If you select the object, just select the object, you will see, select the object. You cannot see faces, edges and all. Components you cannot see. Only when, yeah. Object mode, yes, yeah. When you go into component mode, that is edit mode, what will happen? You want to move only one vertex or two vertices. At that time, you have to go into edit mode. Yeah. So if you want it, that is, we call it changing the shape. Because they are all shapes, no. They are all tools for changing the shape. Vertices, edges, faces, and all their components. When you move the face or edges or something, that it will no more stay become show as cubical shape. It will become some other shape. If you just move it, yeah. Right. Now we have to reduce this gap. How? Little just go to local, no? Go to up local. Yeah, local. Now here, okay, you have to select the empty. Sorry, say empty. Yeah. Only empty we are going to deal with. In cube we are not moving or rotating anything at all. Huh? Right. Minus in rotation Z minus 10.417. No, so you try minus 10.42. Only last two digits you are changing. Yeah. 4 2 you try, no. Let's no 4 1 kadu 4 2. Yeah. Okay, it is going little far, I think. Okay, then minus 10 you type, no. Let's see, minus 10. Enter. Okay. So minus 10, then it should be like minus. Minus 9.8 you type, no, minus 9.8, minus 9.75, 75. Yeah, it has come closer. Little zoom in, no, so that we can see any more gap is there or no. Yeah, very small gap is there. Yeah, maybe put 7 and see, no. I think this should be okay. More than this, no, we don't need. Just go to select the object, tab, go to edit mode, Now press, you have already selected the vertices, no? So, press dot in the keyboard. Yeah, just a little turn around the camera, no? Just slowly. Like this. Okay, still that gap is there. Little gap. Yeah. Okay, fine. We will see that. Huh? Okay, if okay, go back, go to object mode. Yeah, Alt A, deselect. For deselection, no, Alt A. Correct. Right. Now, if we can little more work on that gap, reducing the gap, no, it will be useful actually. 6 6 5 you type, no, 6 5. Oh, 6 5 is too much. Okay, so 6 9 9 you type, no, 6 9 9. Ah, okay. Still gap is there. Just reduce only 1 9 you put. Yeah. No, that is only that is okay 9. Uh, uh, 6 9 ante 0. Ante. Okay, little it has come closer, no? Okay, then actually little overlap, no? So I think 9 5 6 9 5 will do, I think. Just try, no? Yeah, this is okay. Enough. Yeah. Right. Now you select the object mesh staircase. Now you can increase the count like 78 or something. Count, no? In the right side settings, count is there. Yeah, 78. 78. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can just see one more thing we have to do, but still you can see it, how it looks. No, you will want to see it. Right. Now we have attained the spiral form nicely without any gaps. Very least number of gap is there. This is a precision we will be trying when you are doing some architectural work. No, that is, it may not be like. Like something like not to the level of CAD engineering software, but still we are trying our best to align properly, right? To the dot level we are trying to align, so that is enough actually. Yeah. So now this side, you see, this is more, we have to taper it. One side is correctly aligned, we just now moved all that we adjusted. This side inside of the steps, no, we have to do. So go to the original step, down. Original step is the first down step. Yeah. Now you are now only I will tell you now. This technique I'm telling you, no, you will always be useful. Wait, press, go to edit mode. Yeah, press any vertex where you want to zoom in. There only, there. Yeah, that side. Okay, this side you select. Inside. That side. Yeah, select. Now press dot. Yeah, see, the camera is already there. So this way you can zoom in. Just it's a kind of technique only. That's all. Right, now turn the camera. Just we have to see that side, whichever you have selected. No. Yeah. Little. There is little zoom out. Now turn the camera and see. Zoom out. You did zoom out only, no? You didn't zoom in. There is. No. You have to zoom out. Just scroll mouse button. You come out. No. You are zooming inside. Scroll mouse button. Yeah. Come on. Downwards you rotate. Downwards. This is zoom out. Yeah. You were zooming in actually. Right. Little zoom inside. Little zoom inside. Little more. Enough. Now turn the camera. And That is beside the step we have to sit and do the work. Turn down, just turn down. No, 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 no. Don't pan the camera. Turn only. Middle mouse button and turn. Ah, yeah. Turn, turn. Ah, turn, turn. Yeah. Now you turn right side. Turn right side. Yeah, like that. Yeah. A little more right side. Yeah, yeah. Little more. Yeah, yeah. Enough, enough, enough. Now you have selected one vertex. Press shift, press hold shift, and then select the upper vertex also in the same line. Yeah, yeah. That is below that. No, no, they're not there. In that, they are duplicates actually. They don't have any vertices of their own. Yeah, yeah. Only this original will be shown the vertex because they are all duplicates. They don't have entity. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Now, yeah. Now, little same view you keep. No, just now you were keeping one view. uh, Little turn the camera and I know not this much, no, enough this okay this one little press shift mouse button and just bring it in the middle. Press shift yeah, enough no. Okay, now turn the camera downwards, tilt. Yeah, enough, yeah. Now you need not change the camera. Now go to move option and then move it. Move below, yeah, yeah. In x-axis, y-axis, green color y-axis, closer to us. This is farther closer. Yeah, yeah, move it. Yeah, continue, yeah, 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 till that edge is joining that meeting point. Yeah, little more. This is gap, no, little backwards, very little backwards. Enough. I think little more we have to in x-axis we have to move, but turn the camera and then move. Turn the camera front. Yeah. See. Now you move. Yeah. This works. Left side. Yeah. Yeah. Very little more further. Now again go to side view. Just now before. Yeah. Yeah. Just zoom in. No. Press a dot in the keyboard. Little turn the camera. I think. Yeah, little right side you move x-axis, little, very little, slowly. Yeah, no, back. Yeah, enough. Bus. Okay, fine. So now it is got aligned. Press Alt A. So like this, no, we have to turn the camera, pan the camera, and then move it and keep it right. Now you have done the staircase. Staircase is finished. Okay, fine. The next thing I will show you. Before that, we have to do the UV unwrapping also. Huh? Yeah, little zoom out. Yeah. Now press A in the keyboard. Yeah. Now you have select. You see when you see the object, so many objects are there. There is so many meshes are there, right? Yeah. When you just go to object mode, ah, yeah, that's what. Yeah, very good. You got it without me telling. No, you got it. So why that is called instances? Real instances, real duplicate. Duplicate will also always follow. They don't have their own mind. Original will have the mind. Duplicates will just follow. Like that here also. Instances real we call it. So all other objects on the top, no, they are all instances. Only that is just on the bottom, first down, that cube is original. So when you change the down one's shape, see all are changed, right? Yeah. So that is why we are just working on one staircase step, and all other staircase steps are changed. Shape. Ah, ah, yeah. Ah, ah. It is possible. Possible. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you may want to change that place for some purpose. Yeah, client may ask you. Yeah, yeah. In that case we have to apply this array modifier. You have to apply this. We will do that, but before, yeah, you can just try it. Okay, I will tell you. Since you asked me, I will try, you go there, go to array modifier settings. There four icons are there. Array word is there. After that, four icons are there. Last icon you go. That next. Yeah, just press there. You will see apply. Just apply it. Apply. Yeah. Now you go and take your cursor to the viewport. We have to undo it. Okay. Now you just go to take your cursor to the viewport. Viewport. Now press tab. You are seeing vertices, right? Yeah, yeah. But now you have to undo because we have to do so many things. Only then, finally, only we have to do this apply. Huh? So undo it. Yeah, we have to see the array settings again. Undo. No, we have to see the right side array settings. Undo. You keep doing undo. See array settings you are seeing, no? Yeah. Means what? You when you applied, no? When you said apply button you pressed in the array modifier dialog box right side properties panel, then what happened? Okay, blender is understanding. Okay, you want me to make all the instances to real. Like that, immediately it will make all the instances real. So now, blender is thinking, okay, now you don't need the array modifier anymore, so I will close it. Like that, it is closing the dialog box. But no, we have to do some more changes in the what in the UV unwrapping we have to do. So after that, finally only we should apply this array modifier, whatever modifiers we are applying now. Finally only we should say apply. That button we should press. Right. Now you just go back, just go to tab. There is edit mode, component mode. Keeping the cursor in the viewport, go to component mode. Yeah. Edit. Yeah. Right. Now it is all selected. You know that in Blender now, by default, when you enter edit mode, by default all vertices, faces, edges will be selected. That is why it is showing in yellow color. Right. Yeah. Now, now you know already that we have applied all transforms. Here everywhere apply it is coming. I think blender can say put some other word, I think. So here if you see, just go to object mode. Your go to object menu on the top self, the yeah, below this sub menus, object menu. Yeah, fourth one. Yeah, in that apply is there, no? Yeah, we applied already all transforms we have applied. If you want, just already applied. Yeah, so that is why you see the pivot is at the world origin. You can see down, no? Pivot is at the world origin, you can see. Yeah, right. Now because we have applied the all transforms, now we can bravely go to edit mode and then do the UV unwrapping. Right. Now, yeah, before that we have to do one more thing. That is, if you see, no, the staircase will be flat actually. It won't be on the bottom, you won't be able to see this, right? Yeah. So we have to do one more shape modification. Go to edit mode. Yeah, press F, press dot in the keyboard, numerical. Yeah. Now go to backside, bottom backside of this cube. We you that is last two vertices are there, no? Yeah, Alt A, deselect. Last two vertices are there. You just go there. That one. Now press Shift select and then Shift hold and then select the next vertex. right side. Yeah, yeah. Now what we are going to do now, we are trying to snap this up and then merge the vertices so that they become flat in the bottom. Yeah, because the steps won't be like this. Only on the top side it will look like steps. Here bottom also looking like steps, right? It won't be like that actually. For staircase, no. Really, if you see in real life, it won't be like that. So it should be flat in the bottom. On the upside, it should be steps like. So we are going to make this bottom flat. How? By snapping this. One cube, if I snap the original, if I make the change, all other instances also will follow this, become the same shape. So now press dot in the keyboard, control space, yeah. Just move it in the upwards direction, slowly. Yeah, yeah. You see other for others what is happening? They are becoming flat. Slowly they are becoming flat. You can move it little more faster. You can move. Yeah, yeah. See, this is how it will be, right? Am I right? Yeah, yeah. The only thing, the thickness will be there, but later we'll do the thickness also. So now we have to do the steps first, then we'll do the thickness. Huh? Now, yeah, yeah. Now little bring it down. Those vertices, no, we have to little bring it down. No, no. What is this? What is this? That selection, no, in the z-axis, z-axis. Little bring it down, little. Yeah, enough. Now select only one vertex in that part. Yeah, okay, right. Yeah, select only one vertex. Yeah, yeah. Now we have to snap it. How? Snap means what, you know? That is one vertex when it is going to nearing the neighbor vertex, it will just snap on it. Like some guys, no, in teenage, when they see a girl, they will just jump on her. Like that, this vertex also will jump on that vertex, neighbor vertex, when it is nearing that. When it is coming inside the influence area, it will jump on that. So same way we are going to do that effect so that both vertices we are trying to make it one vertex. We don't need these two vertices because we are trying to make it flat. So yeah, so now we have to switch on the snap. How? On the up you are seeing, no, horseshoe magnet icon is there. Switch on that, no. Up, top in the middle, top in the middle, local, transform, orientation, all that is, you know. And small third icon is there. There is in the top left side only. Correct, you came. Yeah, yeah, right side, little right side. Next one. Yeah, that one. You see horseshoe magnet, like small icon is there. Yeah, just switch on that. No, that horseshoe magnet, on that you just press your icon, it will switch on. It will get highlighted. Horseshoe magnet U shape is there. U inverted, left side, left. Next. That, yeah, that's called horseshoe magnet. It's very small. So go to that menu now. Horseshoe magnet menu. Right side, next. It's menu. Yeah. Now switch on the vertex, switch on, then yeah, that is enough. Yeah, now you just move this vertex little, tuck, it will snap upwards, little upwards. It's not snapping. Okay, you press dot, no, press dot in the keyboard. Yeah, little zoom out. No, you are zooming in. Yeah, no, not zoom in. Yeah. Now turn the camera that side. That is right side. Yeah. Now just move this vertex downwards little. It should actually snap it. Press dot now. Yeah. So just keep it on the vertex. Now you can using that is without using the handle, no, free move you can use. White color circle, no, free move. small just with that you just move near that upper vertex. It will, when you take it there, it will snap. Did you feel that tap, it snap? Yeah, that is called snap. So when it is coming near, no, then only it will snap. Little far away, it won't get snapped. Yeah, yeah. So we have to little using that free move. We have to bring it near, then it will snap. Now, wait, don't change it. No, and let it be like that. View be like that. Now they have, they are both the vertices are in same place, but they are not still one vertex. They have to become, those two become one. Should become one. How? Go to right side. X-ray. Switch on the X-ray mode. Right side, right, right, right. Yeah, next. Yeah, that. Yeah. Now we have to select there. You draw a small rectangular, and then only there. No. Only around that vertex. You take your cursor to the white color selected vertex. Yeah, there only you have to draw. But before that, no, you switch off this move handle, because otherwise it will be a hindrance. Plus W, press W, it will be uh, yeah, that's all. Now you draw the small rectangle around it, small rectangle. Yeah, that's all. Very good. Yeah, now you see both the vertices are selected. Now press M in the keyboard. Now we are M for merge. My by distance, last option. Yeah. Now you go to merge by distance. That settings are there, no, left side. It will show the settings always. Anything you do, open it. Yeah. Now go to type point 01, point 01, point point 0.01. Okay. 0.01. Yeah. Yeah. See, don't click anywhere. You see removed one vertices. Do you see that? Okay, you got it gone. It will stay for some time only. Okay, you escape, press escape. Now you put 001 and show you again. For that I'm saying for point 001, point 00 triple 01, triple one more 0 and 1. Yeah, enter. Yeah, enter, no. So no, point 0, one more 0 I have to type. Point triple 01. uh, yeah, 1. Enter. Okay, I think it is, that is, do you see removed one vertex is there on the right side? Okay, you do one thing. You go out and take your cursor outside and just press Control Z, undo. Undo. Yeah, again draw the rectangle. Undo. No, Control Z you did, no, Control Z, undo you didn't do. Undo you have to do. Undo. One more undo. You did, no? Undo. Control Z. Yeah. Now you go, take the same way, you draw the rectangle and select. Yeah. Now two vertices are there. Your folder icon is same place. Yeah, same places are there. Yeah, in the same place, two vertices are there. We have to make it one. But it will show you one when you press M in the keyboard and merge by distance, no? It will show you the accounts that I have merged two vertices. Now it is only one vertex. Like that it will show you, because from the two vertex it is showing you from the two vertices only one vertex is remaining. Like that accounts it is showing. That I wanted to show you so that you will follow the same thing when you are doing these things. Now press M by distance. Yeah, press. Now it is showing removed one vertices. Means what? Did you see that? Okay, I will show you where it comes. No, don't click anywhere. Do you see this folder icon in your taskbar, yellow color taskbar? Down. task, no, that folder icon, yellow color folder icon, that one. Above that, that remove vertices will come. Okay, just wait for that. You type now, have a look there. Type now 0.01. Point, okay, 0.01. One. Enter. You see, removed one vertices above the folder icon. Yeah, so there only, whatever you do, it will tell you the reply. Blender is, man, I have finished the work you gave, like that it is telling you. So there always, when you want to communicate, no, when you want to hear what Blender is has to say, there you have to look at, huh? That's all for everything, any option, right? Now you have done the vertex merging. For the other side also you have to do the same thing. From here only you can just draw the rectangle and select them. Other side, you don't have to move the view. Other side means that side. No, no, this lines continuation, do you see yellow color? There only, yeah, those two vertices. Press, that is down vertex you select, little move on it. Down, only down vertex you select. Now go to move option. Yeah, just free move on that, keep it on the upper vertex, little neighbor. Yeah, it got snapped. Now you draw the rectangle in the same place, and then it will, that's why W you press. Yeah, very good, very good, yes. Yeah, now two vertices are selected, press M, distance, see, one vertex came, that's all, nothing else. Yeah, you don't have to touch, because old value it is still there in the settings. Yeah, that's all. So if you want to try, whether I have only one vertex are there or two vertices, you can just go and select there, take your cursor, this one only, just pick select, go to move option and move it and see only one vertex is there. Yeah, right, undo, immediately undo. Yeah, right. Now, okay, Alt A, deselect. So now little, press A in the keyboard. Now we have selected it. We are going to do unwrap, but just see the shape below the thing. No, just zoom out and see the shape how it looks. Zoom out. Switch off the X-ray. We don't need it. Right side, right side, right. That's what. Yeah, yeah. Now you see it is very flat, right? This is how it should be actually. Below this, yeah, thickness should be formed. I will tell you how we will do that. But on the up only, the steps should be there. On the bottom, it should be flat. Yeah, yeah, right. Now we have to do the UV unwrapping. You have selected the faces. Press, go to UV editing module, or just press back to previous. No, up, back to previous one option is there. Up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now we were maximized. No, viewport were maximized. Now we have come. We are able to see outliner properties, all that. Huh? Right. Now go to UV editing module. Yeah, yeah. Now bring your cursor. Switch on the sync button. Left side, top, below the file word. No, that Pisces symbol, like that one symbol is there. Up. Right, up, go up little. No, that arrow mark, two arrow marks are there. Yeah, that is called, yeah, that is called sync button. Yeah, yeah. Now press press U, or go to UV menu is there. No, there, unwrap, uh, unwrap one option is there, menu, unwrap menu, in that smart UV project. Yeah, okay, default settings, okay. Yeah, see, it has unwrapped, that's all. That same shape what it is there, no, that shape has come now. Yeah. If you want to see, clarify, you can do one thing. Go take your cursor to the viewport, right side viewport. Yeah, press dot zoom, that is, yeah, yeah, right. Now you come, you take your cursor left side, select any one face, left side, left side, left side, left side, left side panel. That, yeah, UV panel. Yeah. Now you switch on the three. Press three in the keyboard. No, that is three means horizontal key. Yeah, that. Yeah. Now press select it. Select. So backside is getting selected. Do you see that? On the right side, backside is getting select. Okay, okay. Now select the next face. Yeah. This is called sync. So you are knowing which one you are selecting in the 3D viewport. That also you select and see. Yeah, this one. No, uh, yeah, all the faces. Yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yes. Top, bottom, and then back, and then sides. They are sides. Small, small triangles. They are sides. Yeah, yeah. Now you just imagine one texture you are just pasting on it. This UV you are seeing, no, left side panel. Down, down. UV space. This room. UV space. That's called UV space. This graph is there, no? Get that graph, that 0 1 entire square is there, no? That's called UV space. Yeah, that's called UV space. On that, why we have to unwrap it, I told you, no, when that is you are going to a shop, there a canvas painting you do know, generally canvas painting or paper or something. When you are buying that from your stationery shop, they will give you rolled in a rolled shape. You will come back home and then unroll it and then start writing it. Because in a rolled form, you cannot take your pen inside the paper and then write it. You will keep on the table, unroll the paper, make it flat on the table, and then start writing on it. Right? Yeah. Even calendar also you do. When you buy a calendar outside, you will bring the calendar, it will be rolled in. You will unroll the calendar, make it flat by keeping it inside the bed or something, that is on the calendar. You will keep some weight and then make it flat and then you put it on the wall. Same thing we are doing here. You are unwrapping the cube, the staircase step, into pieces. How many pieces are there? 1 2 3 4 5 pieces. Now you paste some painting on it, you put some painting on it, or you put some texture downloaded from Google, some wooden texture, from some marble texture. It will just get applied. So for that we are unwrapping. That is a call. That's called UV unwrapping process. So once you model, you have to apply all transforms. Then you do the UV unwrapping. Then we will go for texture. Right. Now we have to do the next modeling also. No. So we'll go further. Now I will show you how to do that. Now you can just go to file, save, just save it as something. Staircase something, staircase. No, no, you are saving in desktop. No, no, we created a directory, no, there only you should see. Yeah, I think it's in D drive. Go to D, assets, inside the assets. Yeah, here, staircase version 1 underscore version 1. Yeah, enter it. Right. Now I will show you. I will share my screen. It will be little, once you understand, no, that is, once you go through these beginning things, operation tools, this cube, and little understanding, till that time it will be bit, it will be like Alice in Wonderland. Okay. Yeah, 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 only in the beginning. Okay. After that, I'm assuring you, you will be much interested once you understand. My students and all, their feedback is this. That beginning it was bit difficult to understand this 3D software, but once they are this world, no, it's a kind of world. You are entering the 3D world, it'll be new to you. So till you find when you go to some place, no, okay, this is a stop, this is tea shop, this is hotel. All that in beginning it will be difficult. Let me go back home only. It's nice, like that you will say. But then after 1 month or something, no, you will say, wow, I don't want to go home. It is nice. Only in Saturday, Sundays you will go home, like that. You will. So everything is like that. Yeah, yeah. So don't worry. Right now, I will also do what you did and just snapping this guy and switch on the horseshoe magnet, switch on the vertex in the menu and then snapping it. Oh yes, yeah, yeah. Not so really, because human beings they are scanning like for movies and all. No, they are doing scanning. Little closer to that we can do. Yes, yes, yeah, yeah. That is cartoonic models are the ones they are preferring in 3D. For yeah, yeah, for real human they are using scanning methods. There are that I will tell you, but only in big companies they have that equipments, those scanning equipments. If you see many this Kamal Hassan movie and many other movies, no, Bollywood movies and all, they were using that scanning thing and all. So the Kamal will be sitting, or any hero, no, will be sitting inside the surrounded by cameras and lights. That camera will just scan him. It is like this MRI scanning and all, no, like that machine it is. It will scan, and then in the computer you will see his mesh completely geometry, 3D geometry. You will see that hero's geometry. You will see. Yeah, yeah, that is called scanning. So like that they do. Nowadays it has developed so nice that we don't have to do that realistic models and all. Like that it has become. But only thing, whichever models we want, no, some particular models like this and all, we have to do by ourselves only. So yeah, yeah. Let me merge it. This side also will merge. Right. Now it has become flat. You can see the bottom has become flat. Now what I will do, sorry, I'm going to do the UV unwrapping as you did. I'll go to UV editing module, switch on the sync button, and then here it will zoom it and keep it on the right side. Now I'll take my cursor to the UV editor panel. This is UV editor panel. In that I am choosing this UV menu, unwrap, and then smart UV project. Smart UV project. Default settings OK. That's all finished. So I can just select and see which place, all this. Right. Okay. Now the UV unwrapping is done. I'll go back to the layout module. Now I will just select one thing. Blender has a very beautiful thing for selection. I don't have to select every face. Like now we cannot select it. Now we have to, because see I can select, I cannot select it. Why? You know very well. Because array modifier is not applied. It is not yet applied. The apply button I didn't press it. So they don't have any faces or vertices or anything. Now I am going to apply, yes, because UV unwrapping is done, so I don't have anything else to do. Now I will select, I have to do the merging for this also. You see, one vertex we did merging, but here is still this one and this one are still separate, though they are single object, but still geometrically they are not joined. You see, still some separation is there. So how to do that? It's very easy only. I I don't have to go here and then go to vertex mode, do this and then press M. No, I don't have to do that. I just have to press A completely. It will get selected. Now when I press M and then by distance it will get merged. See, removed 77 vertices. This show. Yeah, I will undo and show you. You see, I am moving it here. It is separate, right? Yeah, it is all separate. See, here also it is separate. Here also it is separate, right? How to merge them? I'll press A in the keyboard, right? Now I'll press M by distance, remove 77 vertices. Now I'll go back and select there. See, only one vertex. There is no. That is, it won't be nice because no, it should be merged. No, that gap should not be there. It should be continuous. Yeah, what you said is correct. See, if it won't be a problem actually because it is so close, the gap won't be seen. Suppose you are doing camera animation, the camera will go fastly. Okay, the gap won't be seen, right? But for our satisfaction, no, we are doing this so that this option merging will be useful for you in some other when you are doing some other lesson or some other project when you are doing, no, it will be useful. So for learning purpose we are doing all this. When you are in production, no, you are working as a modeler, 3D modeler in some company. When the camera is not at all going to focus there, you don't have to do that merging and all. No need. Only when it is needed, camera is going to show that place in close up, then you have to do merging because the separation will be seen. So if the camera is not going to show that place, you don't have to focus on that. You can just ignore it. Huh? But you are learning one option. Okay, this how I can just make the vertex which is so close to each other as one vertex, not two different vertex. Like that. Okay. Now it will be easy for me to select. You see, I'll go to face mode and then select one face because I have to do the thickness. How to do the thickness? See, I'll press Alt E in the keyboard and then press extrude faces. Like this I have to do, right? This thickness I want to do for everything at the same time. How to do that? I have to select all the faces now like this. So how to select that? I don't want to press shift select and then like this manually. I don't want to select because Blender is having one option. Just one face you select, it will select the rest of the faces. Same kind of faces it will select. How? I'll go to the select. I'm in face mode. I've selected one sample. Now I'll go to the select menu and then select similar perimeter. I'm choosing. See, perimeter edges. When I choose perimeter means that face perimeter, select similar face or similar perimeter. Yeah, see what is happening? It will select all. Yeah, now I can press, I can do the extrusion. How to do that? Alt E. It will show one menu. See, Alt E. Extrude faces or extrude faces along normals. Like this. Yeah. So now the thickness is there. So it will be nice. Like if you want to increase the thickness also, you can increase like this. This much is not needed. So little thickness will be okay. Maybe little more. Right. So like this. So now you know why we made it flat in the bottom. To make look like flat only for that one. Yeah, yeah. So Yeah. So to this level we have done. Next, one more thing is there. That is here we have to do this. There is something called baluster. We call it handrail. We it will be some poles will be there. No stick kind of thing here. Yeah, sticks, and then on that some handrail will be there. That is called handrail. Where when we are climbing or getting down the staircase, we will touch one thing. No, one handle on the right side or left side. That is called handrail. That handrail also we should do, and sticks also we should do. So till this thickness you can do actually. Now I showed you know this thickness will do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Once again. Yeah. Now you can see little gap is there between the steps, no? So while merging, we have to give more values and see whether it has merged like that. That is why we tried so much to keep the edges so closer. We tried so many values and all, so that there won't be gap. But now still we after so much trying also we have gaps, so we have to type some values and then do. Now we have unwrapped it, so we can go back to the layout module. Go to layout module, first one. Yeah, right. Now go to now you can apply the array, right side modifier settings. Yeah, apply. Right, very good, very good. Now go to left side and then press go to component mode, edit mode. Yeah. Now go to vertex mode also. Vertex mode, first one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you can see that many actually it will be separate only. If you want, you can just try and see. Just select one vertex in the down, come down. Yeah. No, no. Next, before that, no, little advance, up steps. Yeah, below that. Yeah, that. The press dot in the keyboard. Yeah. Now you just move and see. No, it'll be separate. Go to move option and then yeah, free move, free move. Yeah. See, they are separate. Okay. Undo. Always undo. No, when you just do trial anything, undo. Now little zoom out. Yeah. Enough. Now press A in the keyboard. Yeah. Now listen. That is, we are not going to select every two vertex and then make them one. This side, that side, for every step edges, we should not do that. It's a very tedious work, very long time. So in short, we have selected all the vertex and pressing M in the keyboard. We are telling the blender, you only merge it. I won't merge it. It's a very long, very big work. So I want you only merge it. So press M uh, by distance. Yeah, now we are going to tell how many that is what is the distance between the vertex. Just give the distance, the blender will merge it. Now just put point 0.01 is there, point 0.04 or something you try to put. No, point 0.04 instead of 1 already merged, but we can just little more. Some what is it, no, may not get point 0.04. No, point 0.04. Undo point 0.04. This is point 0.4 you are saying. 0.04. Enter. Enter. Yeah. So now see 154 edges are merged. Vertices are merged. It just shown. So always just when you are typing, no, just see that it will show you the result, that how many vertices are removed, so that many double vertex became one vertex like it. Yeah. Now select one vertex and just move it. Yeah, move it. Yeah. See, they have become one. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Now just go to bottom. Turn the camera. Turn the camera. Bottom. Bottom we have to see. Bottom. That is below. That is bottom. Yeah. This is the bottom. The below side, no, it's called bottom. Now, yeah. Now go to face mode. Third, near the edit, no, edit mode. After the edit mode, vertex mode, face mode. Last one. Yeah. Now select only one face. First face. First, this perimeter we are selecting. Go to select menu up. Yeah, select menu. Select similar perimeter. Perimeter. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes it will do like that. Uh, just yeah. It is not selected. Maybe I think some are not merged. I think some vertices are not merged. Uh, you can do one thing. That is do undo again undo. We will merge it again till you that is it becomes separate. No, undo. Yeah, undo. Uh, Undo. Okay. Yeah. Now you apply array. Apply. Right. Now go to edit mode. Yeah. Now go to vertex mode and then press M in the keyboard by distance. Yeah. Now no. Wait. Press 01. 0.01 only will type. 0.01. Yeah. One. Enter. Yeah. So removed zero vertices, it is saying. Just select one vertex and just move it and see, no? This one, this one. Yeah. Select, yeah, move it. I think it's still separate. Okay. Undo. Yeah. Now press A in the keyboard. Press M by distance and point 0.05 you put, no? 0.05. Uh, okay, now it's 154 it is showing. Last time also we got 154 only, but here in my thing it is working. Let's see. Go to face mode. Face mode. Up. Yeah, face mode. That is, this is vertex mode, no? Vertex edge face. Yeah. Now select only one face, first face. Yeah. Now go to select similar and then perimeter. Yeah, okay, it is doing the same thing. Okay, we will try another option. Select only one undo you do. Yeah, okay. Select similar you do. Select similar. There's settings also we can actually do. Uh, Go to area you do. Area. It is bit better actually. Uh, Okay, manually we can select. Press W. This we may by mistake, no, we may choose the move option. So just shift select we have to do. Press this one like that. Whichever is unselected, no, just manually use. Try to select. Yeah, shift to select. Yeah, yeah. For convenience, no, you can always press control space and work. Control space. It will be big. Yeah, full screen you can use like this. That is, no, no, that is already done only. No, no, that select it was selected only. You, that one also. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yeah. That one. Yeah. Just check whether any other things are. Press dot in the keyboard. It will zoom out all that. Easy. Yeah, little zoom in now and then start. No, no, not okay. I know. Now you see. Turn the camera and see. No, 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 no. That is correct only. Yeah, yeah. Rule. Yeah, like this. So all are selected now. Right. Yeah. Now, little zoom in. We have to see the first one, original. No. Now all are originals only. But first, from which one? Yeah. That zoom. Zoom in. Uh, Focus on that. Little pan the camera. Shift mouse button. Yeah. Now press Alt E. Second option. Yeah, it will. Yeah, just drag the mouse. Don't click anywhere. Just drag the mouse. Yeah, downwards, upwards, upwards. Yeah, upwards, slowly. Upwards, up. Take it up. Take the cursor up. Up. Yeah, yeah, up. Yeah. Enough, enough, enough. No, no, little more, little more upwards. Enough, enough. Enough. Left mouse button click. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Very good. Very good. Yeah. So we have done the staircase nicely. Now, if you want, no, you can just here on the offset settings you are seeing, no, settings. There also you can just try. You take your cursor there. Offset left side settings you are seeing, no, down settings, that settings dialog box, that is called settings or dialog box we call it. So there offset is there. Offset, that you can increase and decrease and see what is happening. No, wait, no, no, escape, escape. Just you keep the, no, wait, keep the cursor there, keeps a, you will see this arrow mark. Just press left mouse button and drag the mouse. Press left mouse button and drag the mouse. No, uh, it's not happening. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So this way also you can do. Yeah. Right. Okay. So you just put, yeah, point 2 is okay, I think. Just type point 2. Yeah. Yeah, this is also okay. Fine. 217 is okay. Right. Now this we have done, and so right, very no, good. Now next thing I'll show you. Right. Somehow here it is coming, selecting correctly. Maybe some gaps were there, no? That is why it is not selecting, I think. Even small gap, it is not selecting. Now, okay, fine. Staircase is done. I will also name it staircase. Now we are going to do the sticks or poles. That is called baluster, they say. Baluster. Baluster. Huh? technical term in the architecture, no, they call it baluster. So for that, no, I'll just hide this one and then do it. I'll go to object mode. I have hidden the staircase. I'll take a new cube, add mesh cube, and I'll make it small. I'll go to top view and make it small like this. So height won't get disturbed. Height will be the same like this. So I'm using this blue color patch in the top view. So only its width is changed. Like this, its width and breadth is changed. Height is same like that. Huh? Right, yeah. Now we have done this width and breadth scaling down. Yeah, I made it so thin. Now I'll keep it on the top of the x-axis line. Control A or transforms. Nice. It is looking like a stick. Now what I will do, I'll go into edit mode and add more lines. Horizontal lines I will add. You can see from here. Control R, scroll mouse button, rotate. It is adding more loop cuts or lines in between in the cube. I am now, after adding, pressing left mouse button, one click, and pressing escape. Immediately on the left side, loop cut and slide is showing up. Number of cuts are 23, right? Okay, fine. Now what I will do is, I'm going to top view. I'm placing it on the left side like this. Okay, fine. Duplicate and then keep it here also. Okay, again both of them select, escape, and keep it on the right side. Right, so like this we have created. Now what I will do is, maybe I will reduce the gaps. Okay, you want to go bathroom or something, you can no problem, no problem. Yeah. So I have created 4 cubes. It is looking like some iron bars while construction when we see in real life. Like that it is looking. Like that I have made, and all those cubes have horizontal, many horizontal lines. Means what? They have all vertices there. See, we can move it. So many vertices are there. Vertices, edges, faces are there. Right. Now I'm going to join. How? Control J. They are all now one object. Just I will undo. You see 4 objects we are seeing in the outliner. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will select all those 4 objects and then press Control J, means what? Join. I will undo and show you where that option is. Object menu, join. Join means merge all the objects and make it one object. Like how we are making joining, merging 2 vertices and making it one vertex. Same way we can join 4 or 2 objects and then make it one object. So you can see in the outliner now they are 4. I'll just apply join. You see, it will become one object in the outliner. That's all, one object. They are no more four, they are one object. Now I will apply an interesting option in the modifier section in the properties editor, and go to this blue color spanner like modifier icon, add modifier under deform menu, simple deform. Now it will show up like this only by default. I have to choose the bend option. It is bending nicely, okay, but we don't want this bend option. We want the twist option. So I'll choose twist option only, but I want to these things to get twisted in the z axis. See, now it is getting twisted in the z axis like this. Now I'll increase the value and see. So it's a kind of design. But one thing we have to do is we have to apply all transforms, because it's see, it's not in the center, it is somewhere else. You can see the center is somewhere else, not in the world origin. So what I will do, I'll go to top view, press and selected the object, control A, all transform. See now how the result will be like this. Yeah. So like this we can twist. For that only they have given this simple deform, twisting option, bending option, taper option, all that they are given. So for this object we are only using twist. So I'll just type 360 or something. Is okay. Below this restriction is there. If we want we can use it. Otherwise we leave it over. That is only in the middle portion I want the twist. Top and bottom I don't want the twist. In that case we can use this restrictions like this. Right. Now I very interesting. Yeah. This simple deform, no, in Maya software it's also there. They call it non-linear deformation, like that they call it. Here in Blender they are calling it simple deform. It's very interesting. Many like nice animations and all we can do in this. Very nice. And shapes also. We need not for this twisting, no. If I am doing every selecting, if I am going to, if I delete this, see how much it is difficult. I'll go to manually. If I want to twist, to see how much difficult it is, I'll select the top portion and then go to rotate option. I'll switch on this. Many tools help I will have to take to do the same effect. I'll just do switch on the connection, smooth all that I will say. Then like this I have to do. Yeah, but just by increasing the value we are getting it. No manual rotation, switch on this and switch on that, no nothing. Just by manual rotation we are getting this. So that is why they are calling it modifier. Simple modifiers. In that modifiers many options, very easy shortcuts are there. So in that, yeah, simple deform. Ah, okay. Ah, right. Real image. I yeah, because real image, no, it is very difficult to shoot. Light camera unit. See, it's not owner will not do that, no. Shoe manufacturing owner, will he come to factory and manufacture the shoe and take go to ad and to take a camera and go to TV and give the this is the ad, please show it for public, like that he won't do anything. He will just invest money, that's all. Everything other things people have to do it. He will employ people for that everything, and they will have to do. So for giving ads they have to create the ad film, no. For that it's very costly, you know. For director you have to hire lighting unit, camera unit, actors, and a room where you have to shoot that shoe. So many things are there, no? But instead you can just do in one machine. Gopal can just do it, model the shoe or whatever the image they are giving. You can just manipulate that image and as if it is bending, all that you can do and give them the output. That's all, finished. In computer, you will do everything and give it them. So that is why nowadays that is why ad directors are losing job. They are also learning Blender software. Yeah. They have to know what else, what no other go for them. Only if it when it comes to some complicated ads, no. Only with real life we can do that. Then they are going for 3D. Sorry, live action. Otherwise they come to 3D only. Or mostly it is mixed. Live action and 3D. Most both are mixed. So like that they are doing. Yeah. So as you said in website and all, they can show easily 3D, no problem for them. They don't have to go for live action ad film. Like that. Yeah. So now inside the angle, I'm changing it to 360, and then axis is z axis because in the height only the change twisting is happening. Height is what, z axis is the height here. So z axis and switching on, twist and switching on, that's all. Now restrictions, one option is there below that, and just increasing the limits, and then so that the down portion can become can zero, twisting can need not be there in the down portion little. Yeah, it's only in the middle twisting will be there, right? So it's a kind of design. That's all. Nothing special. Huh? So that you will learn one tool. For that only I am going through all the tools, and then trying. We are trying to achieve one lesson. Yeah. Now we'll switch. We'll name this as baluster baluster one, because one more baluster we'll be doing. Baluster one, staircase switch on. Now this baluster will come here. Now you are getting, no, what is baluster? Yeah. Okay, one baluster is enough. I think this itself is enough. So you have to go to side view and then keep it. Right. If you don't want this much big, we can reduce its size. Go to top view, switch on the X-ray, and then go to scale. It will use the blue color square patch and then scale it down. Yeah, like this it will become little lean. It won't be so fat like this. Yeah. Sorry. Now what we have to do is this guy also we need on this everyone. So can I do like this? Duplicate Shift D, press Shift D in the keyboard, escape, lot of time. So what we have to do, same option we are going. Select the option, select the object. We can simple deform, we have done it, so we can apply this. Simple deform is finished. Confirmed, so we can apply this. Now I want to apply this array modifier. Okay, I will apply, but see I have to again do everything. Instead of that, Blender is giving me one option. How? Just copy the modifiers from this guy to this guy, this staircase to this baluster. So select the baluster first. Baluster is the slave, is a junior guy. This guy only first senior, no. Staircase is a senior. He is having the, oh, we actually applied it, no? Okay, right. Applied. So we have to give manually only because we applied. Actually we should apply later only. But to create the thickness we applied, it's okay. Now we'll go to add modifier and apply array. Deselect or undo you are saying? No, no. Deselect means what you are trying? Ah. Go back to that stage, huh? Deselect means I'm not getting. Um, ah, ah, yeah. We cannot go back. We cannot go back. Yeah, yeah. We cannot go. Undo is the only way, but Blender won't carry so much undo. In other softwares, you can undo, undo, undo. You can go to some previous stage, but here the Blender software will not allow so many undos. That is why Blender software is very light. It won't keep so many things in its memory. Yeah, if we are having so many things on our mind, no, we cannot work, no. Present thing what we are doing, we cannot work properly. Same thing, yeah, yeah, it applies to software also. For efficient working, Blender will lessen its memory. That is keeping stuffing its memory. It will completely be in the present and work on it like that. Yes. So they have programmed it like that. Yeah. So now, no problem. We can just the empty is there. Good that we didn't delete it. This empty. So select this one. We can just try this empty. It should come actually. See, that's all. Got it now? Mm, I think it is 78. I think. Yeah, 78. Because that third party is a guy who is having all the information, right? That empty. Uh, we just went to him. Hey man, you have that values, no? Rotation values and movement values you have. Just you come and help me for this baluster also. We asked him. So he came here into the array settings, and the job is done. That's all. Yeah, yeah. So for next is handrail. On this, no, you are seeing my mouse, no, handrail will be there like this. Yeah, that's called handrail. That also we will be using the array one. The same array, object offset on, empty. That's all done like that. So now we can do this one, and then in the next session we can do the handrail. This one only, this baluster we can do now. Yeah. So you can share your screen. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. One second. I'm just sending you this baluster's photo. Yeah, yeah. Wait a second. Wait one second. Uh, just give me 1 minute, no? Some important message someone has sent me. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I have sent you the image. No, I have sent you. Okay. Okay. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Just for reference, that's all. Whenever you want to see that, no, you can just see that. Yeah. Right. Now, yeah. Now, you press Control Space. There is this back to previous. No, up. You are seeing one back to previous. One option is there. There is just press Control Space again. Yeah. Do you see that back to previous? That is Control Space actually. Yeah. If you don't remember the control space, you can just press that and get back outliner, properties editor, everything in view. Like, yeah, yeah. So sometimes you want to maximize the view for that control space. That's all. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can hide this staircase the right side. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Now go to object mode. Press tab. It will go to object mode. Yeah. Now go to add. I think your baby. I think okay, okay. Girl. Oh yes, oh yes. Sorry, sorry if I am disturbed. No, no problem. No. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry, girl, baby, huh? Girl, huh? Boy, huh? Okay. What is his age? Oh my God, cute. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So, yeah, yeah, no, 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 no. Please, okay. So, tomorrow, I think. Okay, I think tomorrow. Okay, okay. So if I will just update, if it is tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll update, and then I'll send you the YouTube link also for today's recording. Okay, thank you, Gopal. Thank you.